Hello, welcome back to Explore Math with Rina together. No matter you sign up for a Kangaroo Math or not, the question is really interesting. Hope you can keep doing the practice every day with Rina. So today we are gonna do a really interesting topic, which is about interval problem. Specifically, we're gonna cut rows. Yeah. So after today's class, you can also do this experiment at home to have a deeper impression of this pattern. So let's see. Actually, this kind of topics, many wants to exercise your creativity. That's why hands-on practice will help us to enhance this kind of ability better. Now let's see the question. Admin cut a ribbon as shown in the picture. It's really curved ribbon. You can see so many curves. How many pieces of the ribbon did he finish with? The very basic way, of course, counted one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We counted 12? Are you very sure we counted correct? Too many, and they are curved, and also for some of them longer, some of them shorter. So even if you were patient enough to count it, and when you got 12, actually not so confident, not so sure if we got it correct. If you do it again, especially when you are doing this in a contest with limited time, you will feel a bit nervous. It's for using this method is really easily to lead to cause a mistake. So let's see another simpler way. Actually, you just need a piece of paper to cover the right part. First, we count the left part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It gets fewer, so easier to count. And then we cover the left part and count the right part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I didn't count these two because they are one of these together. So we just need to add 6 by 6. We can also get 12, a second method. But the nature of it is still counted one by one, counted piece by piece. Let's see, can we have an even faster way? If this is the straight row, I believe most of the children can get it directly because maybe you have already ever studied the pattern. If you have never known the pattern, that's okay. We explore the pattern together. How many cuts? When we cut it once, let's see, how many pieces can I get? Great, actually, I got 2 pieces. So you should also know we can always use a table to study the pattern. But what if I cut it 2 times, cut it twice? How many pieces? Great, 3 pieces. If I cut it one more time, 3 times in total, I'm gonna get 4 pieces. So actually, I thought if we focus on this, 1 cut, 2 pieces, 2 cuts, 3 pieces, 3 cuts, 4 pieces. If I cut it 100 times, 100 cuts, how many pieces? Do I need to draw 100 line and then count it from the beginning one by one? I believe you have already got the pattern. Actually, we can see the pieces is always more than cut. How many more? Great, 1 more, right? The pieces is always 1 more than the cut. So we can have the pattern. Pieces equals to cuts added by 1. If I got 100 cuts, I should get 101 pieces. Just so easy. But this is a straight line. Some students feel confused again. What if that is a curved line? Can we still use the pattern? Let's have a try. Practice. If we got 1 cut, how many pieces? Exactly, still 2, right? But some students wrote down, but teacher, you still cut out a straight part. You are not cutting out the curved part. Okay, let me cut out the curved part. 1 cut, how many pieces? 1, 2, still 2. Some students wrote down again, you should cut another way. You should cut it from left to right. See, cut it once, but we got 1, 2, 3, 3 pieces. How do you explain it again? But carefully, we are meaning cuts. Let's see, when you draw such a line, how many cuts do you get? Once, twice, you got 2 cuts, still 3 pieces. See, the pattern also worked. Let's have more. Remember, that is the pattern about cuts and pieces. If I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts, let's count. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, no matter the rope is straight or curved, the pattern always works. We just need to count how many cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In total, 11 cuts. So added by 1, 12 pieces. Done. We just need to count it along the dotted line. Don't need to count it curvely. That will be much easier to get it correct. See? Real interesting, right? So when you find some pattern, after you discover the pattern, try to design an experiment to prove it. List the data in a table and reach the conclusion. Later, use it. So I hope you really enjoy the thinking, to enjoy the fun math. See you next day. Bye.